Hello guys, I'm Omid and welcome to my another tutorial videos about OBS Studio. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to have a circular green screen webcam in OBS, and I try to show you very fast in simple steps. We are going to have something like this. Okay guys, after setting up a green screen, we need two images for having a circular green screen with our specific background. Before everything, we need two images, and they are a simple circle, a black circle with dimension of 1080, and another in the same size as our background. These images are in PNG format, and don't worry about making these kinds of images. I put the link of download in description of this video. Okay, now we go to OBS Studio. In sources panel, here we have video capture device. We should add some filters to this video capture device that it's our webcam. Okay, now we have a right click and go to filters. Here we add image mask, and for image mask we select our first circle, our black circle. Okay, leave it by its default name, and here browse our computer and select our black circle. I open it. Okay, and then we should select its type. It's very important. We should select alpha mask, alpha channel. As you can see here, our rectangle webcam changed to a circular webcam. Okay, close it, and then we should have another filter to our webcam. Again, go to filters, we added image mask, and now we should add another filter, that's Chroma Key. Okay, select this option and then okay, it's very good. Key color is set to green, and close it. Okay, now as you can see, my background is empty, and I should add my second circle, my background image. I go to sources panel, and by clicking on plus button, I add an image. Here I browse and select my background. Okay, and then okay, now it's very big. I should resize it like this one and put it here, but as you can see, the image layer is upper than video capture device or our webcam. I should click on it and bring it down. Okay, now put it here and resize it again until on image. I go on image and resize it until we have a good background. Okay, as you can see, it's done, and I have a beautiful circular green screen, and I changed the background with anything that I want to have. Okay, it's done, but for better configuration, we select these two sources and group selected items. Okay, now if I move it, both of them, the background and webcam, are moving together. It's done, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you really enjoyed, please subscribe my channel and leave your beautiful comments for helping my channel to grow. Thank you.